was born 1919, town in the inside of the province of Buenos Aires. When she was 15, she decided to try her luck as an actress. So in the 1940s, there was a huge earthquake, so the relief concert for this terrible earthquake was commissioned by the dictatorship that used to rule our country in that time. The rising star of that military dictatorship, a not very well-known young colonel called Colonel Juan Domingo Perón, inviting all the local celebrities. One of them was Eva, and there they will meet. A few months later, Eva and Perón will become married, and a few months after their marriage, Perón will become elected president, being a natural-born, charismatic leader. She was a passionate speaker, articulate, intelligent. By the end of her life, she becoming even more extreme than Perón himself. So she started gathering weapons and distributed them through the workers. So when the coup will come, they will resist. By the end of 1951, she was delivering a speech when she fell unwell. She was checked by a doctor who diagnosed appendicitis. So when he started operating on her, he saw right away it wasn't appendicitis, it was cancer. A very brief period of intense chemotherapy. She died of this very aggressive cancer by 1952, when she was actually poised to be the candidate for vice president. They made a decision not to bury Eva, but to embalm her body. So they actually hired the same doctor that had embalmed Lenny 25 years ago. Some people that lasted 15 days, she was put in a glass box, and people day and night after this will queue outside this building. Have the privilege of standing next to Eva Perón's body for a few seconds. In 1955, Perón was overthrown by a military dictatorship that wanted to erase every trace of Peronism there was in our country. They even forbid the newspapers to write the word Perón.
Helped a lot. So when I close it, it doesn't go blah, 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 blah.
What you got is butt supported.
It's not perfect.
It's better.
Oh, it's way gooder. Yep. Okay, if you're a drunk, this is not the street for you to walk down. And this is actually better than most. There's plenty of these nice open ditches and holes to fall into. So if you were to come home drinking one night, you could be in a serious world of hurt.
What are we doing stopped?
We're getting a ticket.
For what?
For not having our headlights on.
Oh no.
They're nice though. They're nice guys.
Cops actually said that we would pay it at a bank. They're going to give us a ticket,
you-
so they're not asking for a bribe or anything,
No.
which is good. Tell everybody what we just did.
We spent an hour in a line in a bank
For
to pay my ticket
for
for driving without my lights on, and it was my fault.
because in Argentina you have to drive it's
All
24
the
by
time.
7 all the time with
your
running
headlights
lights
on.
and headlights on.
And it must be your headlights.
Yeah. So then we had to go to a bank because you pay it at a bank, and we're actually leaving Argentina. So fortunately, we found the one bank that you're allowed to pay at between where we got the ticket and the border. And extra fortunately, they had not closed for lunch yet. How do you feel?
Poor.
How much was it? Tell everybody how much it
It
was.
was $111 US.
We built this city on rock and roll. We built this city on rock and roll. Built this city. We built this city on rock and roll.
Oh, here's it is. Oh, now we're in Chile. I do remember this actually. That was pretty fast.
That was actually really fast.
Yeah.
Working on it this time.
Quick go.
But no. Oh.
That's it. She waved at me.
Okay, I was like.
Gracias.
Gracias. It's funny because there's, especially with a car like ours, they just, like, people descend on it and then they're curious and they'll ask questions and then they ask you to open something twice because they're like, oh,
so
they don't know that.
I think they went through the fridge twice.
They went through the fridge twice because our guy was the main guy, but then the other guy was trying to help, but he didn't. They never tell them they've done it.
Well, then they left. Then they leave.
Yeah, and then they left.
And then the other guy doesn't know what he did.
Exactly.
Whoa!
What was that?
That pickup truck just rolled. If I was back further, I would have stopped, but everybody's stopping. It was just a one car.
You just roll himself?
Yeah. Yeah. He had a seatbelt on. He was alright. Rolled. The front end hit the guardrail on top of it, so it didn't crush the cab. And then when I popped back up, it looked like the cab was okay. Yeah, it is. Oh, that's not bad. Próxima salida aeropuerto.
Toma la salida de la derecha.
Okay. I think the cops would have problem with that.
And then to Arizona.
Why is she looking at me? This one got hit too.
What? How?
Hard to hit that.
Yeah, something crashed in that. Had to have been a train. Nothing else would be out on a railroad track. Okay.
God dang it.
I'm looking at.
Where's my glasses?
What? What are you doing?
My glasses again.
The glasses?
Yeah, I'm looking for my glasses so I can